I'm Rainey from Books for Keeps, and today I'm going to be reading A Busy Year by Lionni. This is one of my favorite books about Winnie and Willie and their cute little mice. I love the first page. It was the first day of January, and for the twins, it was their first walk in the winter snow. "Look," said Willie, "a snow mouse." "He's holding a broom," said Winnie. That's the snow mouse. But then they heard a voice. "I am not a broom. I am a Woody the tree." The twins couldn't believe their ears. A talking tree? Does that look like a tree to you? Kind of does look like a broom, doesn't it? When they returned a few weeks later, it was already February, and the snow mouse was melting away, but the tree was still there. "What have you two been up to?" she asked. The twins told Woody about the McBarney barn where they lived, and about the cows and the horses and the chickens who lived there too. That's the snow mouse, or what's left of him. In March, the rain and the wind never seemed to stop, but the twins went to see Woody just the same. She had become their friend. "All this rain is fine," she said. "I need it, and soon it will be spring. I can't wait. I can feel my buds." Buds is what happens when trees start to grow flowers and then leaves. And indeed, when April came, Woody's branches were full of buds. "How do you know which ones will be the blossoms and which ones will be the leaves?" Winnie wondered. To her, they all looked the same. These are all the buds right here. They look like leaves to me. "Oh, Woody, you're beautiful," said the twins when they returned in May. "Yes," said Woody, her branches heavy with blossoms and leaves. "May is my month." It was warm, and the three friends talked and played all day. On their way home, Willie said, "It's a shame that Woody can't run." There's all the blossoms. They're very pretty, and she let them pick one of their blossoms. "You look sad," said the twins when they saw Woody again. "Don't you like June and the summertime?" "I do," said Woody, "but people are careless with cigarettes and campfires, and many trees die in the flames, and I can't run." The twins looked at each other. "Don't worry, Woody. We'll protect you," they said as they ran back to the barn to find a hose and water. Because that's what friends do. They look out for each other. It was July when one morning Winnie and Willie heard screams. "Help! Help! Fire!" It was Woody. They unrolled the hose as fast as they could. The flames had almost reached their friend, but the twins arrived just in time. "Winnie, Willie, how can I ever thank you?" said Woody gratefully. See the scary fire? But they saved their friend, so the tree is okay. August was vacation month. The twins went to the seashore with their parents. But first, they went to say goodbye to Woody. Woody was sound asleep. "Let's not wake her," Willie said. They hung a note from her bark. It said, "Going to the shore. Goodbye, Woody." There's their little sign. It says, "Going to the shore. Goodbye, Woody, Willie, and Winnie." When they returned in September, Woody's branches were full of fragrant, juicy fruit. "How busy you've been," the twins exclaimed. "Take as many as you want," said Woody, and the twins ate their bellies full. Nothing had ever tasted so good. It's fruit, like an apple tree or a peach tree. Who knows what kind of tree Woody is? October arrived. Autumn was almost gone, and winter was coming closer. Icy winds blew Woody's leaves away. "Poor Woody," said the twins. "Don't worry," said Woody. "Next year, I'll have new leaves. You'll see." But the leaves are very pretty when they're falling off. The tree was bare now. "It's November already," Willie whispered. "What shall we give Woody for Christmas?" "She deserves the best," said Winnie. "I shall give her a piece of cheese, because if you're a mouse, cheese is the best." Willie looked at her with dismay. "Cheese?" he said. "Trees don't eat cheese." "I know," said Winnie, laughing, "but it's the thought that counts." What would you give a tree for Christmas? I think it would be hard to decide. December came, and then it was Christmas. Winnie stepped forward to give Woody her present. "What is it?" asked Willie. Manure, said Winnie triumphantly. Disgusting, said Willie, but Woody laughed. Fertilizer is just what I need, and she meant it. Fertilizer is what you put around the bottom of trees to help them grow big and strong. Then it was Willie's turn. His box was full of bulbs and flower seeds to plant around the tree. Woody thanked her two friends. Merry Christmas, they all shouted together. They were happy and ready for another busy year. The end.